Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Open your inventory and equip the best healing food or dish you have. Make sure it shows HP restoration and any immediate buff. Once done, pick the nearest statue of the 7 or teleport waypoint to prepare a safe heal if enemies close. Make sure one party slot is a healer or a character with a heal skill ready, because using skill healing is faster in combat than waiting to cook or drink food between fights. Once engaged, swap to your healer and activate their skill for repeated, reliable restoration. Follow with their burst to refill substantial HP quickly. If you must eat mid-combat, find cover or create distance, then consume a healing dish that matches the damage trend. Some food also removes status effects. Make sure to layer shields or dodge timing to reduce incoming damage while heals land. If cooldowns block heals, stagger swaps to characters with minor self-heals or shields to buy time for the main healer. Finish by either standing at the statue of the 7 to restore and revive everyone, or by topping off HP with your best cooked meals when safe. This avoids wasting cooldowns. Make sure to conserve your highest heal dishes for critical moments and rotate characters so healer cooldowns recharge. If you find yourself without a healer or food, teleport to a safe waypoint, quickly eat any remaining high heal items, and reassign party roles before returning to the fight. That resolves most unexpected healing failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.